Hello dear Cancerians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So in this video, I am going to read your cards for the month of June 2021. Okay, so let's begin our reading. While I shuffle these cards, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my videos. Do share my do subscribe my channel. Do like my videos. Okay, so that is what I'm supposed to say, but I know you people are doing it properly. Cancerians, most of the birthdays you will be celebrating, most of the Cancerians will be celebrating birthday also. I wish you a very happy birthday for you, dear Cancerians. So let me take out 3 cards for you here for the month of June 2021. Spirit, guides and angels. Oh my god. Spirit, guides and angels, please guide Cancerians for the month of June 2021. Please guide Cancerians for the month of June 2021. Okay, so this is my last shuffle now. Alright. Okay, let me take out 3 cards here. First card, Justice. Okay. Second we have, wow, 6 of Wands. And then third we have Emperor. Wonderful. And then we also have 2 of sorry, 2 of Wands at the bottom, as bottom of the deck. Okay, so Cancerians, we have Justice, 6 of Wands and Emperor. Okay, Cancerians, this seems to be your karmic period, in the sense, no, you will be rewarded, or it can be a reward, it can be a punishment. For God's sake, this shouldn't happen. But you see, what you sow is what you reap. Okay, this kind of energy, what I am sensing this month for you Cancerians. Of course, Cancerians are very sweet and kind, caring people. I love you all, and Cancerians. So this energy I am seeing, because of that, probably I am seeing a win. I am seeing victory this month for you, dear Cancerians. Okay, so but you need to be quite careful about your actions. Okay, and don't be, no, just don't get into anything, and no, don't anything when you do, just try to understand whether it is good or not, whether you are hurting someone with that, no. So try to make this analysis if you are going, if you have to take some major decisions, Cancerians. Okay, so you need to be a little careful about it. And then at the same time, also seeing a victory here. If you are victory, it can be like a project completion also, with lot of laurels. And it can be, no, if you were trying to find a job, or if you were trying to crack a business deal, or it can be on the family side also, if you were trying to settle down in some relationship. So these kind of victory, it can be anything, but I see that yes, there is a victory coming your way, dear Cancerians. And then we have an Emperor card, energy, a very dominating energy this month for you. So I would say, where it is asking you to be, with this victory here, probably, with this victory, what I feel is, can be where it wants you to be disciplined, where it wants you to have some principles in your life, as well. At the same time, I'm seeing some restrictions there. You will be able to break through those restrictions in this month. you see some dominating energy which you will be able to break through this month. This is what I am sensing, Cancerians, for you. And yes, you need to have some control about the situation which you are going to get this month again. Okay, with the Two of Wands energy at the bottom, I feel this overall thing will help you in strategizing your plans for the future. So this is a time, when you are about to finish your phase and where you see yourself as a victorious person coming out, as a winner coming out of the situation, and then you are getting a time now to make a proper plan, to make a proper strategy for the future, because whatever you are going to do now this month is what you see that will take you in the coming months also. So this is like a breakthrough for you, dear Cancerians, this month. So this will take you, help you in taking further steps also in the future also, is what is going to follow from here on. Okay, so yeah, so whatever is there, you have to be a little cautious about your decisions again, and yeah, as I said, analyze the things properly. Okay, dear Cancerians, let me take out message from the universe for you. One card for Cancerians from the universe. Okay. I'm going to take out one card now. Right. The more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Wow, such a wonderful message for you, dear Cancerians. Yeah, and okay, so a lot of happening going on. I mean, lot of things you will be learning this month again, and you will be implementing also this month. So let's see, let me know how was your month in the comment section again. I see you again in my next video. Till then, I wish you good luck. Bye bye, take care.